Hello and welcome to the online viewing for 38 Balaclava Road. It's a one-bedroom property found towards the end of the cul-de-sac here, located quite close to King's Heath High Street. And the property benefits from a corner plot with gardens to the front, side and rear. Okay, then just moving into the property where we have the entrance lobby and front door, which leads into the living room, and off this room here we have the bedroom, which has fitted wardrobes and then a window facing towards the front of the property. And on to the inner hallway where we have the kitchen off to the right hand side. It does have an integrated fridge and freezer, double oven, gas hob. And around to the other side we have a fitted modern shower room, which also has useful fitted storage cupboards. And on the left hand side there is a little storeroom which houses a gas boiler and also has plumbing for a washing machine. And then on to the conservatory, which has double doors and windows overlooking the garden area to the rear and side of the property. Okay, then moving outside into the rear garden where we have plenty of paved seating space and also lawned garden. And that concludes the online viewing. If you'd like to arrange a physical viewing, then do give the office a call as soon as you can, and we'll hopefully speak to you soon. Thanks very much. Bye for now.